Spencer.
I wanted to tell you this in person. We have been reviewing all of the evidence, and we now believe that Mona Vanderwall was not Allison's first victim.
Bethany Young?
The DA is dropping the charges against you. The police think Allison set you up.
It's over, Spencer. It's all over.
For a minute, I thought I would just get on the plane to Atlantic City, fly away. But I didn't.
I've been to Atlantic City. You made the right choice.
No, Paige was wrong. She should have stayed. I don't think she was wrong. She got out.
We should all think about getting out of here. To Atlantic City? I just said that.
No, not to Atlantic City, to anywhere. I mean, Allie's in jail. Nobody thinks I killed anybody. Nothing's keeping us here anymore. After we graduate, we can go wherever we want to. Allie kept us in this town like we were magnetized. That's over. The spell is broken. We've all got college applications out, so it's not too late. If we can achieve escape velocity, we can have a chance at our own actual lives.
No gates, no dams, no barriers.
An actual life.
Is that the carnival at St. Bridget's? Oh, it's so beautiful.
No, I don't accept this. Allison is A. And Allison is in jail.
Oh my God.
They don't allow fireworks in prison.
No. This has to be something that she set up before they got her, right?
That's what it has to be.